Hello IG Garage family. Is your car throwing the P0041 error code and running poorly? This issue can cause rough idling, poor fuel economy, and even damage your catalytic converter. In this video, we'll cover what P0041 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned, because ignoring this issue can lead to costly engine repairs. So what does P0041 mean? Well, the P0041 code stands for O2 sensor signals swapped, Bank 1 sensor 2, Bank 2 sensor 2. Basically, this means the downstream oxygen sensors, which are located after the catalytic converter, have been installed incorrectly, or their wiring is swapped between Bank 1 and Bank 2. As a result, the ECU gets mixed signals, and this can lead to poor engine performance. Now, let's talk about the symptoms of P0041. You might notice the check engine light is on. There could be rough idling or unstable RPM. You may also experience poor fuel efficiency. Higher emissions or even a failed smog test can occur. And sometimes you might smell sulfur or a rotten egg smell coming from the exhaust. Common causes of P0041. First, O2 sensors installed incorrectly. Bank 1 sensor 2 and Bank 2 sensor 2 must be in the correct positions. Second, swapped O2 sensor wiring. If connectors are mixed up, the ECU gets wrong readings. Third, damaged or corroded wiring. Faulty wiring can cause incorrect signals. Fourth, ECU misinterpretation. A software update or reset may be needed. Fifth, faulty O2 sensors. If the sensors are bad, they need replacement. Sensor location very important. Where are the O2 sensors located for P0041? Bank 1 sensor 2, or B1S2, is located after the catalytic converter on Bank 1. In 4-cylinder engines, Bank 1 is usually on the same side as cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 1 is typically on the passenger side. Bank 2 sensor 2, or B2S2, is found after the catalytic converter on Bank 2. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 2 is usually on the driver's side. The O2 sensor wiring connectors are usually located near the transmission or exhaust manifold. If the P0041 error code appeared after sensor replacement, check if the wiring connectors were swapped. Hey, here's a quick tip for you. Always refer to your car's repair manual for the exact sensor locations. First, check the sensor installation. Make sure Bank 1 sensor 2 is in Bank 1 and Bank 2 sensor 2 is in Bank 2. Next, inspect the wiring connections. Trace the O2 sensor harnesses and ensure they are not swapped. 3. Look for wiring damage. Check for burnt, frayed, or loose wires near the exhaust system. 4. Use an obd2 scanner to check sensor readings. If the readings are reversed, swap the connectors to the correct sensors. Alright, so now it's time to clear the code and take your car for a test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to reset the P0041 code and confirm the fix. So, that's everything you need to know about P0041 O2 sensor signals swapped between banks. If you're dealing with this issue, make sure to check the sensor installation and wiring first. For more important car fixes, check out these videos next. P0137 O2 sensor circuit low voltage, Bank 1 sensor 2, and P0133 O2 sensor slow response, Bank 1 sensor 1. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.